Hey guys, it's Kyle Bennett with HardOCP.com. Today we're looking at the Audeze Mobius headset, microphone, headphones, all built into one. One thing Mobius or Audeze says about these, it says, let me read their script on this. Mobius is the first premium high-end, fully immersive 3D cinematic audio and head tracking enabled headphone designed specifically for gamers. So, looking at the box here, if you look around for pretty much anything about gaming, there's not much here, except it does say PC gaming optimized down in the corner, and that's really about it. If you look on this side of the box, you'll see they're talking about integrated head tracking, sound localization, and room emulation. So considering this is designed specifically for gamers, it still makes me wonder about why do we have these bullet points? Because these are not going to be really features that you would use for any kind of gaming. You're not going to need integrated head tracking for gaming. You're not going to need sound localization. You're definitely not going to want room emulation for gaming. You want to be in the room that the game's being played in, per se. So the marketing on these and what they're really, the message is kind of confusing. But obviously we're going to give them a chance and see what goes on here. The other big thing about these is these are $400. This is the most expensive headset we've had yet. With that $400, it is Bluetooth. It's Bluetooth wireless, obviously, but it's not USB wireless. From what I can get from reading what's on the box or what's on the specs on their page. So it looks like it's not a wireless headset as we thought it was for USB, although it is for Bluetooth, and many of us have Bluetooth systems. So we're going to give it a shot doing that as well. The other big claim to fame on these is the Audeze planar magnetic 100 millimeter drivers. And you know, most of the headsets we work with are 40 or 50 mils. And so we'll see if that really leads us to, you know, any kind of sound quality. But for $400, these things should blow the frickin' every other headset we've ever used out of the water. I mean, the most expensive headset till now would have been the A50 that we used, and that was an excellent headset. Obviously, it had some firmware and some hardware issues that have never been fixed, and that's why we didn't recommend it. Also, we had the Cloud Alphas that were $100 that gave us tremendous sound. I think we gave those a silver award. That was a great headset. It you know, it wasn't wireless. That was the one takeaway from that. I really hate having wires on when I game. That's just me personally. So anyway, these are the Audeze Mobius. Let's see what's all in the box and if we got our $400 worth. So we got a fairly nice presentation here. See how this all comes apart. Some accessories. Some more, much heavier accessories. Okay. Here's our cover. Got some instructions on it. We went with the copper. They happen to do these in blue as well. We'll see how that goes. So in this accessory envelope, we have what looks to be a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. That's nice. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. We have a 3.5 mil analog jack. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4 connects, so that should support analog stereo as well as the mic plugged in. And we have what looks to be our microphone. Obviously, we'll be testing that. This is the first box we pulled out. All our manuals and a cheat sheet card. So let's pull these out and give these a look. So from a feel standpoint, where are we? No rattles, no creaks, no shakes. See how these are going to fit our head. Identified inside the cups, left, right. These cups do feel pretty deep. It's a little bit big for my head. Okay, on first test fit, they don't feel like they're going to be too tight, which I know a lot of times we have that issue because we have a fat head. Here's our power button. And the Mobius does not come charged. Oh yeah, it does. There it goes. So we did a long 3-second. That was a power on. This right here is the mute switch for the microphone. Here, I'll let you talk to her.
Mute. Mute. Off.
So she's got a nice, pleasant voice as far as that goes. Let's look. So nothing. We have nothing on this cup over here. Everything's located on the left cup, as it usually is. So let's take a look. So we have our 3D audio modes here. We do have a. That's for our microphone. It is keyed. There's our USB-C plug-in. This would be our 3.1 auxiliary jack. We have a mic scroll wheel here and the headphone volume scroll wheel here. These are also clickable. Can't really tell by looking at it, but these are also clickable and have a bunch of different settings for actually if you're using them for Bluetooth. Let's first look at these. You know, this is, like I said, this is the Audeze Mobius. We really want to give these some time and some hunt showdown, considering how excellent that 3D audio engine is for that. Not a whole lot of RGB for you guys, which I don't think that's exactly the crowd it's set for. They do lay down flat. They don't, however, stand up on their own, so that's not going to happen. So we like them when they stand up. So you're probably going to want a headphone stand for these, but we'll see how this works with the 3D sound and how that well works out. But anyway, this is Kyle Bennett with hardocp.com.